Good morning, this is Captain Armando Alejo of A Square Charters. Today we're coming to you from Coral Springs. We're here at the boat yard and we're going to beautify our bay boat here that's been in action for a couple weeks. Today we're choosing the deck cleaner from the Better Boat brand, and what we've done is we've preloaded it here into our boat soap and flush kit. Folks, talk about efficiency. This hooks up to your standard hose, and as you will see momentarily, we're going to spray our entire deck of the boat. It's an easy application process. This gadget has many uses, including, as you will see here momentarily, we're going to clean our deck with it. We're going to pre-spray it. It can also be used with desalting solutions for your fishing gear, your diving equipment, your RV, your car, etc. It has many uses. If you haven't given the Better Boat brand a look yet, I encourage you to do so. Their products will not disappoint you.